Go down, go down. Ang gali.
Matut na basta ako ingon.
Oo.
Matut na basta ako ingon.
Oh, sige. Tanaw sa nako.
Mahot na mahot ang field na.
Ma!
Walk lang, walk. Slowly. Kupot dire sa kilid. Asa man? Bird.
Oh, habing gubat.
Sige na, look. Walk na, walk.
I can also look, Mom. Get out.
Tanaw sa nako, Bi. Lakaw, lakaw.
So cool.
Lakaw na dito ba?
Na sila, Ma. Wala, manana sila, Ma. I want to go there. Why are we so high, Mom? I'm just scared that I'm gonna fall. Is that a strawberry farm, Mom?
No.
I'm just asking you, Mom. Let me see.
Go, go, go.
Mom, I wanna go here. Oh, matawag ko duwa man.
Dali, go there. Don't be scared, yeah. Just walk slowly. Yeah. Don't be scared, you're not gonna fall. I don't know.
Maybe it's the flower tree.
You just walk na. Slowly lang, slowly.
So I don't fall.
Yep.
Sa taas na. Bago ko sinagili. Ha?
I want to stop because there's some people here.
Yeah, you go down, but slowly lang, slowly. Just walk slowly. Yeah, just hold the railings na lang. Hold lang, hold. Sige. Walk. Don't be scared. Oops.
Last step, Mom. Look, so beautiful, Mom.
Oops.
It's too close that I'm not in the stairs. I fell.
Look at me. Look.
Why are we so high up? That's so beautiful, Mom. I want to go there.
Oh, later na later. You can walk there, ay.
I see the flowers.
Don't run. Nak, don't run, nak.
Angel, patuon na kami dito. Patuon na.
Nak, picture sa diri nak biadto sa kaw.
Oh,
Adto dito.
sulod.
Gawas ra ayaw lang sulod. Ari diri atubangan. Tunga. Sige. Tarong. Ayaw pag inana atubang diri tarong. Ana. Atubang diri. Oh, sige na dali.
Why? That's also blue first, Mom. Mom, I think we should go to the pink and white flowers first. Then next go to the blue flowers.
Ayun. Ato ra ka pikas ay naa dito.
Yung asa.
Ato ay other side. Oh, dira naog dira naog diha.
Okay.
Dira naog diha.
Ana.
Sige naog.
Wala atin na ito dito, we.
Ah,
Walk.
Len, picturean mo ko dyan, Len. Last na lang dyan, Len.
Now the flowers.
Ano ko yung hair ko dyan?
That's the flowers.
Ate,
Oh, look at that flowers, Mom. So cute.
You go.
No, Mom? I get them?
No, don't pick them. It's not allowed to pick flowers. You go na. Continue walking.
Yeah, thank you. Wait, ka na. Dito na tayo dumaan, no?
Yeah, just keep walking.
It's just a lot of bees.
Nak. Ato dito ka okay.
Mom, are you okay?
Asa ta agi ani dito ka agi. Ah, dito straight lang dito straight.
Get up, not me.
Sige, go.
I'm not
Basta.
afraid of you.
Kasi muhang kuan kay para maka-drink, makakuan kas medicine mo.
Sama?
Padili na ka manosos. Eat sa kasi imong biscuit.
This is a biscuit.
Nagdamo ka kag Oreo.